Alright, everybody decided to come.
No, they're not.
My sister and my mom. The red's just the color. She actually had red on first, so. What was up?
Trying to figure out what Nana got on.
She's fly.
Those are gonna be mine. Those are gonna be mine.
Which one are you gonna get?
I think passion fruit.
I was thinking passion fruit.
What do you have?
I'll get pineapple.
What do you want? What do you want?
Can I mix them? What if I get passion fruit and lime? And bak now. Passion fruit is
50 baht.
50? Okay.
Sawaro.
50?
How many want mango?
Not me.
Not me.
Can I mix them? Like two?
Yeah, can also.
Ooh, okay. Let me order because I know these two words in Thai.
We got 3 mango.
Yeah, but I want to order in Thai. Can't I not?
$40.
I want a
I need to
pineapple.
practice.
ถ้าบีมันจะน้ำไม่ตรงคนนี้ก็
I have 2 years to practice.
Oh wait, hold on. Get one watermelon for daddy and mommy.
Okay.
Oh wait, you can mix them.
How do you say smoothie?
ปัน
Pan. Okay, pan. Sawaro
อ่าฮะ
and bak now.
มะนาวสวรสมะนาว
Yeah.
ถูก
Yes.
โอเคสวรสมะนาวสอง
Yes.
แล้วที่สอนเราจะไปนู้น
Thank you.
Oh, that's fun. We're at the beach. We're at Playboy Beach.
Thank you. Yeah. See? It takes a man.
What is that? Take it off. Of course, it's underwater. What are you wearing? Hello. My ladybug. I see you again.
Yeah, but a lot of them have.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot.
Embarrassing. He's over the water.
Thank you so much for watching. Oh, is that over?
Let's wait. Thank you. Yeah, there we go.
My mouth all over.
We all ate already, but I'm full. French.
I've been wanting this all morning.
This is serious time. There's no time to play.
Ooh.
Unintentional. Cool.
Oh.
Do it. Hey. Do it. Hey, wait. Go. Aroy. Aroy, Mark. Aroy.
Was that alive?
Yeah, it's pretty. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Watch the living dead. Watch the
I know
live.
I jumped out. I'm not going in front of you. Go. Get that away from me. Go.
You know, you're scared.
And it was a spiral. If it's not dead,
It's dead.
tracking sand.
Babe, you got a crab. You're gonna kill the crab.
That's a crab.
That's a crab you kicked? I said
Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah.
I saved it.
Declare it.
She was talking at home like, I don't eat that, no way. Then
I'm telling you, the worst part was.
Look.
nutty, unexplainable. Nutty, like when it's like.
I drank right after. Alright, so what's the plan for? The package.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's something I would like to do.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, if there's legal with other, boats, you know, for a cheaper price. But the ferry fee is. That's right.
Is she the only one that fishing?
Wasn't it supposed to rain this week?
Yeah.
I feel like it's, yeah.
Okay.
On the ferry, I think there's food for purchase.
There's food and there's a bathroom on the ferry.
For purchase, though.
Yes. No, water's free. I think water's always free, but food you can buy.
I know. All of one side.
Did Eric go get you guys or he just left?
These are the hard ones right here.
That's the 4.
From the Orients. Hey. Yeah, you used to talk about getting even further south. Somewhere with summer last.
What's that?
Oh,
What's
yeah.
oh, is that bananas?
Probably got a big old diamond. Yeah. Probably got a big old diamond on your hand right now. Maybe a baby or a couple
So much
by
for
now.
us, an aesthetic, like, quiet walk. Trying to just kind of get the sounds of us walking.
When you're drinking, if you find yourself thinking about that boy coming to the street. You know.
Shut up. I was trying to get us just walking. Wait, go over there.
Oh, you are?
Oh my God, she pulled my arm. She pulled my arm over there. You see that?
Big tap.
No booms.
Negative.
No booms.
Negative booms.
Boo booms.
I got a what? Oh, Eric's done.
Yeah, I get it 2 out of 5.
Her face says it all.
Really?
That's emeritus. How do you rate your food?
Good.
I ordered,
Oh, you like
this
it?
one.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh.
No, but they both got curry. It came with rice.
Whatever the place was, I'm sorry, that was not for me. I would never go there again. So, yeah. She went to the Alps. Oh my gosh, she went to the Alps. No, her people were here.
Ay, nako. Yung fruit. A fucking focus. Your fruit is over here. Oi.
Pineapple.
Here. It's a cough drop mug.
Bite it. Again, I thought you. Oh. You got to push right here.
What is the ear spot? Hey. Hey, man. We were talking about this earlier. Hey, man.
Try everything once.
Get the milky cream massage.
The milky cream ear spa.
Extract.
I'll put you on game.
Baggage lost.
Fucking buckle your shit.
Smoothie.
You want to die?
Smoothie not good.
Close.
Why are you clipping us?
Close the,
What the hell? Hey,
close the fucking
this
lights.
stays in Phuket. Stays in Phuket.
Hey, what happens in Phuket stays
Yep.
in Phuket.
Yep.
Some LBs, really.
Word to the LBs. Word to the...
How does he do it, bro?
What?
With the Gorlock.
You know.
Look. Are you having bangers and mash?
Just kidding, bro. I'm not racist, by the way. Just kidding, bro. I'm not racist, by the way. I am racist.
Yes.